This is my second Azure haul and I'm really excited. I got a bunch of stuff, but then I did regret not getting soft white wheat berries. I tried another place and regret it. So I had to end up going to Mom's Market and spending $1.59 per pound for wheat berries. That's expensive. I do want to add that to my next order. So yes, there will be more orders. Ketchup, the ketchup was on sale. So I got a 3-pack. It's not really a 3-pack. I just got 3 and you get a savings when you get bundles with Azure, which I really like. So we got 3 of those. And the honey I got last time was a different honey. It's kind of smokier. This is a little bit more sweet and floral. So this is berry wildflower. I'm excited about that. I needed some oregano, so I got some oregano cut leaf, cut and sifted. Needed some baking soda for cleaning and for cooking, baking and everything like that. So I got a big thing from Azure. And then I also got some apple cider vinegar. It was on sale. They had distilled white vinegar on sale, but it was like 11%, and I didn't want to figure out diluting all of that. They are beautiful. These are organic onions. I was tossing between if I wanted to get onions frozen or onions fresh because I was, again, nervous. And they look better than what I get in the store. I'm really excited, and they are by far cheaper than where I get my organic onions. So excited about these. Apples. I can't get the box. They already took one each, but I'll show you the apples. They're beautiful again. They are just amazing. The flavor, I wish you could taste them. I mean, if you get them from Azure, you could, but they're just Cosmic Crisp, but they're so much bigger. I'll show you ones I get from Aldi. They're in my fridge right now because we do get them from Aldi in between from Aldi. And here's a Cosmic Crisp from Azure. My kids can share this, but they don't because they love to eat the whole thing themselves and it fills them. They don't have to go and grab another apple. They're just, you know, I mean, the price I'm paying for more core on these, so do the jars. I've got a lot today. I'm really excited. So for jars, ooh, do we not have a ring on that one? Yeah, we were missing a ring. Leave it to me to pick up the one that's missing a ring. So we're missing a ring. That was funny. They all have rings except for that one. That was definitely different. So yeah, I'll have to ask, where's my ring? That is so weird. Yeah, that one's missing a ring. So we have the 1.5 pints. I'll put that back in there. That was scary though, picking it up. God forbid I dropped it. So they have, I got the ones with the, some of them apparently, with the ring and the lids. So I'm excited about these. I won't be using them for canning. I'm not into canning yet just because I don't have the space and I'm kind of nervous canning in general. I will be using these for drinking, for dry goods, things like that, spice mixes, so I'm excited about those. But I do need another ring now. I bought gallon size jars and the lids sold out before my ship date. So I have 4 gallon size jars with no lids until hopefully next time, next shipment. I love 32 ounce jars for most things, and I was sick of buying Ball because I felt like they always have like bubbles in them and they're just not as durable anymore. So I bought a bunch from Azure. So I use Ball jars for my spices. This is onion, and I just needed a few more. So I went ahead and got them from Azure, and I really like the quality. They look great. I will say on Ball, I've noticed that there's a lot more imperfections lately, and if you're canning, that can be an issue. I'm not canning, so it's not a huge issue, but I just wanted to try the jars from Azure. They're a little cheaper too, and I feel like they're a little bit better quality. So I have 2 more boxes now. I have some maple sugar, which I'm excited about. I have some Rye Grain, and then I also got more oat bran because, again, I'm trying to be heart healthy over here. And then I bought heart healthy. Some more coffee. I guess coffee could be good, depending on what you put in it. I don't put too much in it. I put like maple syrup in it. Exchange Mind, Body, and Soul. It was on sale, so I did get it. I think it was like 65. Right now it's like 80 something. So I went ahead and got another big bag of coffee. I still have my other one, but I wanted a little bit of a lighter roast. I got dark roast, and it's a little too dark for me. So I'm excited about that one. I want to say it's been over 10 years, maybe even more, maybe 20 years. I've never really purchased like the stain removers or anything. I have purchased Dawn if I had something like really greasy on my clothes, and I just don't find that I wanted to have that stuff in my house. So I was excited they had Charlie Soap laundry pre-spray. So I went ahead and got 2 of those. They were a really great deal. It's a big cleaning sale. I also got this hard water treatment, and it's for laundry. We have hard water, so I'm excited to see how that works. I got 2 of those. And then I also got the laundry detergent itself, the laundry powder. I've never tried Charlie's, so I'm really hopeful that it works well. I actually put it in my next cart on the sale price, and that's what I love about Azure. So I put it in my cart for my next order, because if I like it, I can get more of it and I can stock up. So I actually put the 3 package, the 3 count, I don't, no, not these. I won't need more spray because we've got 2, we don't need more. And then I also purchased, last but not least, some citrus dish soap and citrus fragrance. I want to see how it smells. I'm really excited. It's like in a laundry detergent container too. Let's move everything. Let's see how it smells. Citrus. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. I like that. That's a nice smell. It's very, very citrusy and it's very nice. I was a little nervous. Some people say it can smell too strong, but I really like that. Like I could smell that again. I like it. Yeah, it's like really fresh. I am excited for that for my dish soap. Wow, that is it's like it's a happy smell. I don't know how to explain it. Sorry, it makes me happy. That's the best way to explain it. It's like a happy, citrusy, bright smell. It's really nice. Love this. Wow. I don't know if I'll love it for cleaning. We'll see how that goes. But all in all, I'm really excited about this drop. This was really exciting. I want to get more things. I have a whole bunch in my next drop. I have some tomato powder. I added soft white wheat. I'm gonna get 25 pounds of that and just like really cross my fingers. Speaking of, I wanna open my Rye Grain right now with you guys because I'm a little nervous again. I purchased hard red and hard white in buckets from 4th Generations. I'm excited to open that, but also nervous to open that. I only got the hard red so far, and I don't know, it's so scary opening things like that. Like all of the stuff you hear on the groups. I guess if over time we'll get a little less nervous. And I went with 5 pounds of the rye. Oh, darn it. Someone actually told me last time that I could rip it off and I completely forgot. I don't need to open, I should open actually, so let's do it. I should open. Ugh, I'm weak. No, I can't do it, so there's that. I'm gonna check the oat bran too, and then I'm also gonna check the maple sugar. I just like to make sure everything's good. Ooh, we got some oat bran in the lid. I'll have to vacuum that up now. That's fine. Oat bran looks beautiful, beautiful. I love oat bran, to be honest, but I do love that it is heart healthy. It's full of fiber and beta-glucan fiber, which is really important. So if you're looking to increase your fiber, check that out. We'll open the baking soda. See how that looks. Nice and powdered, right? So I want to make sure there's nothing clumpy. This is beautiful. And then I'll do the maple sugar and then we'll do the rye cut. So let's do that. Oh, that's beautiful. And you know what? The price is great too. That smells so good. I want to put that in my coffee. Rye. Oh, it's beautiful. Azure. As my husband would say, Azure. Azure, you're doing well here. This is beautiful. It's such a pretty grain rye. And that is, wow, that's beautiful. And that is why, like, I can't imagine purchasing from anywhere else now. Look at that grain. Can you see it? It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, I see zero issue with this grain. I don't see any debris at all. Wow, beautiful. Ketchup. It's sealed. The honey isn't sealed, and then the mustard and a few other things, but the peanut butter too. But again, they don't need to seal it, but I did not expect to see a seal, so I was gonna open it and smell it and see how it does, but we already have a brand new ketchup in the fridge. I will keep you guys posted how the french fries and the ketchup taste. I'm so excited for everything here. I really am. This is such a blessing that they offer stuff like this. Yeah, I'm really happy. Slowly, I am adding things to my Azure orders that is a little more adventurous for me. This time I was adding french fries, and I was a little apprehensive because people said that they would clump up and they'd have to chisel them apart. I did not have that experience. They came apart beautifully, and if it was in any clumps, it broke up easily as well. I will say that our truck comes promptly. They actually came 20 minutes early today. I was there 30 minutes early, so it worked out perfectly, and I head right home after, and they always do the frozen stuff last. So I think that has a lot to do with it, and it just was so easy to divide up into these bags. Typically, I do like to use reusable silicone bags, but I did not have enough for this massive box. This is 30 pounds of fresh cut organic french fries, and I just don't have that many bags. I wish I did, but for $30 a piece, it's a little too spendy for something like this. So I will reuse these bags. I think it was a total of 7.5 bags, and we almost had 8. So I will use these bags every time I get these fries. My kids love fries. We love fries. I'm a potato person, and so are my kids and my husband. I ended up getting almost 8 bags, so we will be using these for lunches, for dinners. I can't wait to make some taco fries and things like that, and they are just really great quality, and I love how easy it was to divide this up. I was really nervous. As you could see, it's just breezing by. I didn't have to smack it onto the floor. I was able to easily do it with my hand, and yeah, I was really impressed. Next, I'm going to try their frozen strawberries. I'm really excited about those. I have seen some mixed reviews on them in the Facebook group. Some people have them where they're frozen into a solid mass, but Azure does stand by their product, and they did refund those people. So I'm excited to try those in my next haul, and these are amazing. So aside from missing one ring on one of my jars, I have no issues with my order. My grain looks beautiful. I did not purchase more soft white wheat, and I am really kicking myself for that. I love going to our local job. Everybody's so friendly. Everybody is so nice, so helpful. And it's just been an absolute pleasure buying from Azure. Yes, I can get some things locally cheaper, but everything I got here was more affordable and better quality. So that is what I do. I like price match everything. Now, if I like the laundry detergents, the booster, the ketchup, everything that was on sale from this order, I have in my next order. And you could even do that for the next 3 consecutive orders, or you could even push it out, which is nice because it's not only on sale that month or that week. It's on sale as long as you have it in your cart. I think it goes for 3 billing cycle, not 3 billing cycles, 3 shipping cycles. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Again, take care and God bless you, friend. Bye.